Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a repair video for the Jeep Cherokee or Grand Cherokee 2004 with a computer problem. I haven't even opened the box. The only thing I have done is disconnect the battery, make sure the key's not on, disconnect the battery, and let's do this together. First, before I remove anything, let's make sure it is the correct module. Supposed to be plug and play. So we'll see. Make sure I have some instructions in here. Let's see. Important information regarding your new car diesel computer. Hopefully it's not a diesel and it's just well, it is the same 3-plug even though it has just a dummy because they use a cover for other computers. Um, we'll see. Let's read some of the information. Just let me say hello and thank you for becoming a Bali customer. For your convenience, we have included a prepaid and pre-addressed postage level for your ship to all computer back to us. This level is to only to be used with the box you receive. Okay, so we need to send the computer back. Then I have done the following checks in my contract. So some information to be filled, and they take the one as a core, which I ain't gonna be handle that part. I'm gonna put all this. Uh, the price is actually amazing. So installing, yeah, that is no installation information. It's just to put the old module in the box and send to them. Just the cover. It's coming off. Okay. And this is a number 8 or just trying to see what else we got here. Looks like a plastic pin on the back. See if we need or not to remove that. It looks like it goes through. Okay, so we need to slide it this way. So you take the 2 screws on the front and then leave the pin on the back, just slide it this way and take it off if everything comes as it should. hmm And that should have come with the computer. So I'm gonna have to transfer that to that one. Try not to break it. Let's see how I can do that. So let me stop the video 1 second, guys. But well, you can see this one. It is the same part number 516AE. So we'll see. It looks like the same computer. Let me just transfer this and I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys saw that capture in there, but that's the clip I need to remove. All right, not so bad. I got the pin out. What I ended up doing it was, with a pin puller under, just, putting some little pressure, and then with a pocket screwdriver, just releasing the tabs. Not so bad. All right. I hope it's no need to do anything as they claim that is a plug and play. So the upper bolt. And there is a ground wire here, so hopefully you guys can see in there. Just make sure that is in. That can be a case ground necessary for the computer. I mean, truly, this repair is pretty simple. All right, let me now hook the computer, I mean the ground. I put the old computer on the box so I don't forget that. And that is just a 10 millimeter for the ground side. I like to disconnect the ground. This is the clamp on the battery is a little funky. All right, so you can see the belt from there on the alternator. Let me just relocate the camera just a little lower so you guys can see while I'm cranking the car. Just focus yourself in here because this microphone takes the noise away. And let me crank the car. Let's cross our fingers, make sure everything starts. And it did. Starts and run. So it is a plug and play. So this is nice. As you can see, car is running. So again, just a confirmation of the diagnosis and to show the repair. The car is running. I have some ABS lights, but that was before. It's nothing. We're not working on that. Um, that's it. So hopefully, let me just make sure the angle of the camera will include my face for the close conclusion of this. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully, this test helps somebody with the same problem. Otherwise, I'm here in Tyson's Corner, Virginia, Exodus Meats. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're around the area, please stop by, say hi. I'm always here, Monday to Friday, some Saturdays. Not I only work every third Saturday, but if you're around the area and during the week, don't hesitate to stop by and say hi. Again, it's Meat Services, Tyson's Corner, Virginia. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.